Hey you guys, hope everybody's doing well today. Another one of my videos on, believe it or not, sushi will start up today without me dropping it. How about that? Don't want to drop it though. Let's put the choke on, turn it on, see what we got here. Got the gas on, see what happens. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna do some things on the Harley thing. Did you know there are 97 countries that have dealerships in them of Harley Davidson? That's a lot of dealerships. Did you know that Harley is the #1 selling motorcycle in the country? You think would always be, but they hadn't. They just overtook Honda. And this year, I think it was, in 2024, they overtook them. Okay. I'll say, did you know that Harley Davidson donated 15,000 motorcycles to the U.S. Army? That's back in World War I. World War I. We had some fireworks last night. The police came. It was like a war out there. I never heard so many firecrackers and wild rockets and crap go off. I thought it was my neighbor across the street because my dogs were scared to death. One of them got out, just off running, scared me to death. I lost a dog when I was 12 years old from fireworks. Never saw him again. Took off. I was afraid my little baby last night was going to take off on me, but he just circled the car looking for his mom. Jet lag and a cold. What do you think that means? Does that mean anything to y'all? Jet lag and a cold? See if y'all are watching news and see what you know what that means. So I can think of something else about the Harley thing. I had a couple things written down and I don't have no memory. What do I get? The more memory goes down the drain. Go. Okay, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I'm not a TikTok fan. TikTok is owned and operated by China, Communist China, and they put stuff on there. They try to mess our young kids up and stuff. Their country's not allowed to put stuff on there that they put on ours. I don't like them, and I'm always seeing advertisement on my channel. Always. 90% of the time is that. It's kind of weird. Now, other times I see advertisement, and it's simply Oprah Winfrey, but I know it's not her. But she's talking about her husband's or her boyfriend's private parts. How you got to get them things fixed up and back in shape. And I know Oprah Winfrey is a billionaire. She's not going to have some downgraded commercial like that on. She don't need the money to put herself down like that. So you would think some of the companies that are letting them do it would say, no, we don't need your advertisement that bad. But they keep on doing it. They don't care. They care about themselves making money. Yep, making that big dollar. Almighty dollar. Yeah, I had about 4 or 5 things written down. I can't remember what they were. Oh, I know one. I don't think I said this yet. Harley Davidson, when they first went in for business, you had all kinds of motorcycle people, companies out there. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! So anyhow, they became #1 in 17 years. Of all the motorcycles that were being made in the world, they became #1, 17 years. That's pretty good. Why do you say that they were #1? They made the best ones back then. It makes the most durable. They always had a great sound. So what do y'all think about the Believe It or Not thing? Did anything on there you think I'm full of poop on? Alright guys and gals, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I appreciate you doing. Hit the old bell. I'll let you know when I got something else coming on. And the thumbs up, it always helped me with YouTube. I don't know if anything else with YouTube, tell you the truth. They seem like they're always punishing me. Probably me saying that's going to punish me more. I know I had a lot more hours and stuff in, but they don't give them to me. They don't want me to stack them pennies. Me and my son are going to look at another motorcycle today. It's a Road King. '14 Road King. And you know, of course, it's got to get it for the right price before I buy it. So I probably won't keep it very long. I got to make sure if I make a couple dollars on it. Alright people, this is probably it. Y'all have a good day.